Hello and welcome. When we last met, we all clipped out a photo of myself here. I've got that photo on two layers. I'm going to hide my first layer so you can see that it is indeed separate from that white backdrop, which I shot you on. Okay, first thing we're going to do is find a background image to use as my silhouette. So I'm going to switch to Google Chrome. I happen to have Flickr opened up here. I'm going to use Flickr to find an image that I'm actually allowed to modify and use for my own non-commercial purposes. The picture you find is up to you. Don't use the one I'm using. I'm going to just search for California redwood and hit return. And that gives me a nice little search here, a bunch of images. Now, first thing I want to do is make sure that I look under license, and this is kind of the permission slip here as to how I can use this picture. So I'm going to look for pictures that allow me to modify this image. So let's do modifications allowed. And I'm also going to try and find a higher res picture. So to do that, I'll come over here to the right and click advanced. So Google also has this feature, but I thought Flickr was a nice other kind of alternative source. Under minimum size, I'm going to choose large. And also, you don't have to do this, but to ensure that I got a picture kind of the right size or the right orientation, I'm going to click on this little guy here. So, let's see, let's uncheck all of them. Show portrait. There we go. So now it's only showing me vertical images. Again, not something you have to do. If you find a picture that's high enough resolution, it really shouldn't matter. But I'm going to scroll down and just kind of hunt for one that I like. I kind of recommend doing a lighter image, like bright image, instead of areas that have a lot of dark. Not going to be as attractive. An image like this, Trees by Kendra Kay, not so hot. This one I think will work a little bit better. So I'm going to click on that. And let's see. In order to get to the higher res version, you come over to the right hand side. There's a little download link here. I'm going to click download this photo, and I'm going to download the original version. So you want to find pictures that are about this size, 2000 by 3000, 3000 by 4000. These are pixels, and this is good. If you have something that looks smaller, like these numbers, it's not going to work so great for the high res picture that I took. So I'll click on original, and that will send that file to my downloads folder. Now I'm also going to save, I'm going to bookmark this picture because I'm going to use this later to attribute, to give credit to this person. So I'm going to go ahead and look under my bookmarks menu. It's different in Safari, but I believe the shortcut is the same. Bookmark this page is Command D. So we'll bookmark this, and I'm going to go ahead and save it. Forest attribution. Click done. Okay, back to Photoshop. Let's open up that picture here. I'm going to click on it.